Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope all you are fine at home. And today we are going to do our maths work. Open page number 12. On page number 12, you can see this page. Now you can see this one is tenths and hundredths. On this page, you can see in the last lesson, we did this example. Now I'm going to tell you again. You can see 38.96. After decimal, the first digit is on 10th place. The first digit is on 10th place. That means 9 by 10. That means 9 by 10. And the next one is 6. That is on 100th place. That is on 100th place. So it is 6 by 100. Now, before point, the first value is 1, that is 8. And after 8, sorry, before 8, that is 3. It is on 10th place. So we know in tens we have 1 0, they write 1 0. It becomes what? 30. So now question number 1, they are saying complete this chart. How you will complete this chart? We know the rule. After point, the first value is 10th. So they write 2 in a 10th, and then they write 8, and 8 is hundreds. They write in the under hundreds. And under point, you can see they write point. And before point, we have 7. That is our unit. So they write under it unit. And before 7, we have 3. This is tens. They write 3 here. Okay. Same you can do by do these parts of this question by using same this rule. Now, come on, question number 2. What they are saying, write the decimal number, each arrow point to. Now I'm going to do this part on board. Look at the whiteboard. Page number is 12, and this is question number 2. In question number 2, what we have to do? They are saying write the decimal number, each arrow points to. Now you can see on your books, there is a number line that is starting from 0, and the first digit they write, decimal digit they write, that is 0.5. And between 0 and 0.5, you can see there are 4 dark lines. 4 dark lines. 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. It means this is 0. This is 0.1. This is 0.2. This is 0.4, sorry, 3. This one is 0.3, and this one is 0.4, and last one we get 0.5. Now you can see on your books that there are small lines, more small lines between 0 and 0.1. So you can count these lines here. How many these are? Count on your books. I'm also counting with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 lines between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 9 are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, you can see they draw an arrow here. And they are asking where A is standing. My A is standing on 0.1. Now, there are, where is the arrow of B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, they draw the arrow here. So where my B is standing, I come down and go back which decimal point value I have 0.2. So first I'm going to write 0.2, then after 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, 0.24, and this one is 0.25. So after 2, I'm going to write 5. Wait, Sijia. The next one is C, where my C is standing. On your book, the arrow is here. So where C is standing, first I'm going to down, then go back. The first decimal value is 0.3. So first I'm going to write 0.3, then count the other lines. So it is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I am going to write after 3? 8. By this method, you can solve these number lines all by this method, okay? Now, come on page number 13. On page number 13, what we have to do, this work we have done before. Again, we are going to do this one. Same method we used in the last class. In the previous pages, we have done this one. So now question number 4 is, on page number 13, question number 4 is, write these as decimals. How we are going to write these fractions and mixed fractions in decimals. So the first one is 9. 9 in a mixed, and 7/10 is a fraction. So now look at the board, how we will solve it. A part is 9 is in a mixed, and in a fraction we have 7 by 10. 9, 7 by 10. So how we are going to write it in a decimal? I told you that first we write the mixed number, that is 9. I'm going to write 9. Then we have to convert it into a decimal. So now 7 by 10. 7 by 10, we know the decimal fraction, how we convert it into a decimal. 7 by 10, that is 0.7. So after point, I'm going to write 7 here. So the answer is 9.7. Now I'm going to solve E part for this question, that is 97 by 100. So if we divide anything with 100, we know how to write it into a decimal. First, we are going to write 0, then point, and then we write 97. After point, we read it separately. 0.97 is the answer. Now, question number 5. Nine tenths. They are saying in this question number 5, they are saying write these as decimals. Write these as decimals. So A part is 9 tenths. So we know tenths come after point. First we write 0, then we write point, and the first value after point is 9, is 10th. So we are going to write 9 here. The next one is, I'm going to do E part for you. That is, no, F part. I'm going to do F part for you. That is 7 hundredths. So how we are going to write it into a decimal? Look at the board. We know that after point, the first value is 10th. So we don't have any value of 10th. So I'm going to write first 0. After point, I'm going to write 0 and then going to write 7. 7 is on hundredths place. This one is hundredths, this is tenths, and this one is unit. Now, come on, question number 6. On question number 6, what we have to do, write the value of the digit 7 in each number shows from 70. Azan, don't do this today. Now you can see on your books, they are saying in question number 6, write these as write the value of the digit 7 in each number. Choose from 77 or 7 by 10 or 7 by 100. So they are saying look at the digit 7. You can see in this question number 6, there are 7 in each value. In the first one is a 87.45. 87.45. 45. Before unit, we know, before decimal, we know the first value is unit. So it is only 7. So I'm going to write 7 here. The answer is only 7. The next one is, look at the board. Question number 6. The first part is 8. And you have to tell this 7 shows which place. 87.45. Before point, the first value is unit. So the answer of this one is only 7. The B part is 13.7. So we want to know where this 7 is standing, and we know after point the first value is on 10th place. So this 7 is divided by 10 because it is on 10th place. The answer is 7 by 10. Now C part, that is 72.12. Now we want to know where our 7 is standing. This is before point. The first value is unit. Then the second one is tens. So this one is tens, and we know with tens how many 0 comes? 1. So the answer of this one is 70. Now going to do E part of this question. In E part, you can see 36.27. We find the place of this 7. After point, the first value is placed on 10th, and the next one is hundredths. So it means this 7 is divided into hundreds parts. So the answer is 7 by 100. The answer is 7 by 100. Now, write your diaries. This is your homework. Do page number 12 and 13 on your notes. Write your diaries, please. Everyone, hurry up.